This is Hannah with Blessings Capture Photography and the Voice of the Ozarks. Today I'm going to share with you my review of stock sites and what has sold well for me. Make sure to stick around until the end and I'll show you the one picture that has made me the most money and the one picture that has sold the most. And they're not the same. To give you an idea of where I'm coming from, I'm a small to medium-sized contributor. I don't dedicate too much time to shooting and uploading, but I upload from 15 to 25 images a month. I have 650 to 2,000 images on 6 different stock sites. Here's a graph of everything I've made since starting to sell in 2017. As you can see, Lightstock has made the most sales. You may not have heard of them. They're a faith-based company that caters to churches and ministries. A disclaimer here. They may be faith-based, but they're not a conservative Christian website. They do have some immodesty and worldliness, but they are cleaner than most sites out there. I take a lot of farm and nature pictures, and those don't sell well on Lightstock, but the ones that do sell well are Bible, faith, and family. And images that have those themes are the ones that I'll do exclusive. It's worth it, as you get twice as much. This is the only site that I've tried where you don't have to be 18 to have an account. But I will say, you do have to have quality work to get accepted as a seller. They'll ask you to show you them an online portfolio of your work. If you don't have a website, you can ask them if you can email them samples. Next one up is Adobe Stock. They've done fairly well for me. By far, the pictures of mine that sell the best are farming and farm animals. Normally I get from 33 cents to $1 for images. As a bonus, if you sell 150 images in a year, you get Lightroom and Photoshop free for a year. Shutterstock used to be one of my top sites, but in the mid-2020, they changed their pay structure. I went from making 25 cents or $1.50 down to 10 cents or 44 cents. They've also gotten more picky about what they'll accept, but I do still put my images on there. Overall, Dreamstime has a higher pay structure, but I haven't sold too many on there. Then 123 royalty free and deposit photo, I've hardly sold any on. So this is how I do it. If it's faith-based, I'll submit it as exclusive on Lightstock. Everything else, farming, landscape, flowers, I'll submit as non-exclusive on all my sites. Now for my top images. First and foremost, what sells is quality. But here's some that have sold well for me. I have various cowboy boots, and I've sold these a total of 51 times. Next top downloads, this picture of a chick in an American flag with a grand total of 44 times. Then we have this one of making venison sausage with sales of 19 times. Here's some other top sellers. Thank you, Our Father, praying, crayons, and voting. Now for the one that has made the most money. This image of garden tools I sold as an extended license as well as several standard license. And for my top image, this picture of a cute garden hose I've sold 34 times. And I didn't even take it originally for stock. I shot it for a character quality booklet to illustrate selfishness. Someone who won't love by giving to others. This image proves that unique images are what people are looking for. There you have it. Check out my portfolios in the link below. If you're thinking about selling a stock, I encourage you to go for it. Not only can you make some money, but you'll learn how to take quality, tack-sharp images and what people are looking for. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more about making money with stock as a small contributor.